Now, let us dissect this particular slide. Now, take note that learning outcome 1, you spent 5 hours. So, your question is, how many number of items you must allocate for learning outcome 1? The method is, you just divide the number of hours spent for LO1, which is 5, by the total number of hours, which is 60, then multiply by the total number of items, which is 50. So in other words, in order to find the number of items that must be allocated for LO1, you divide 5 by 60, then you multiply it by 50. So you have 4. So in other words, the number of items that must be allocated for learning outcome number 1 must be 4. Using the same process, you can find the total number of items for learning outcome 2, learning outcome 3, learning outcome 4, up to learning outcome 12. That is how you compute for the items that must be allocated for each learning outcome.